I think I have given my statement while addressing.
पहले हिंदी में आप बताएंगे, उसके बाद इंग्लिश में ठीक है। इसी फंक्शन इंग्लिश में बता दीजिए।
इंग्लिश में तो मैंने पढ़ दिया, एक बार मैंने बोल दिया।
अबाउट द होल ये जो सुपर 30 है।
Okay, Roger. So firstly, I must. This event has been organized to honor HPCL, NIDO, Kilo Force, the students who have participated in this Super 30 program for last about 3 years, their parents, for an excellent performance, due to which they have been picked up to be the #1 CSR project out of 300 companies across the country. As I said earlier, I have extended my thanks on behalf of Indian Army to HPCL and NIDO for providing us an opportunity to take care of some underprivileged youth of Jammu and Kashmir, to get a fair chance to be able to compete for an extremely tough NEET examination. It is a matter of great honor for all of us that the first 2 batches of 68 total students, 100% of them have been placed and are attending various courses across the country. I must tell you all that the 3rd batch, in spite of pandemic, has persevered and has been able to finish its course. And as per the confidence shown by the students, I am quite sanguine that the maximum of them are going to come up at a very, very higher merit list. The last point I want to convey through you all is that it is a matter of indeed honor for Indian Army that the parents of these students have felt assured and have had confidence in us to have sent their wards for 11 months. Maximum of them were moving out of their warmth of their homes for the first time. And it makes me very happy to report back to them that possibly we have been successful and we have ensured that their confidence on us has been fulfilled.
जनरल आने वाले दिनों में आपने कहा था कि आप सुपर 30 को बढ़ा रहे हैं, उसमें लड़कियों को भी इंक्लूड करने की बात।
You see, when we launched this project in 2018, I was a GOC Kilo Force that point of time, in July 2018. That time itself, we had some requests which came to us from the young girls to participate in Super 30 for medical examinations. But you know, it was a trial period for us. Having gone through 3 courses, now we feel confident that we can take the responsibility of the girls as well. We have been at the forefront to enable and ensure women empowerment and to assist women in all form we can. And therefore, this year onwards, having taken that call to try it out, we are looking to select 20 girls who will be participating in this program of Super 30 plus 20. The process is in advanced stage. I am quite confident that we will be able to start this project possibly in a month's time for the girls as well.
जनरल साहब, अगर अभी विंटर आने वाला है, इन्फिल्ट्रेशन एक्टिविटी भी बढ़ गई है सर।
Okay, I will take the question on this infiltration later. Anything related to this, I'll be more happy to answer.
What's the response from Kashmiri students towards this Super 30s?
You know, the question is that what is the response from the Kashmiri students who are for this program? If on the first batch we had only 1400 applicants and the process started with 1400, the second batch had again 1400 plus, but the third batch has had about 4000, and the 4th batch for which the progress is on, the numbers have significantly increased, which reflects the confidence in the program.
क्या आप मानते हैं कि माइंडसेट भी चेंज हो रहा है कश्मीर?
Yeah, of course, there is a change in mindset. as I keep on telling that the youth people have also realized that they are being taken up the gum path, the gum tree on the wrong path by the people within their own community. And as I keep on urging that this is a fight against the anti-national, anti-social elements which has to be taken by the people themselves. We need to ensure that the children come out, compete fairly, they study, educate themselves, become responsible citizens of the country. They take the respect of in the society. They fulfill the dreams of their own parents. No father or mother wants his child to go onto the street and pelt stone. But there are vicious elements which motivate them through various means and take them out onto the streets. Of the current scenario, security scenario, is reflects very clearly that the youth has stopped coming onto the street. They have understood this game, and therefore we will continue to enlarge such ventures to ensure there are greater opportunities for the youth to compete with the best pan country and go out all over the world, all over the country, and become responsible, mature human beings.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, हाँ.